Hi, I'm John Rose, and I'm one of the instructors here. I hope to bring some information to you in a way that's a little bit unique. I work really well with this company, and the methods that we use are skill sets. It's not about a degree, it's about learning the trades, learning the skills to get you a job. With these skills, they'll open up new doors, open up opportunities, and take you on your journey. I've worked in industry. I've worked for film companies. I've done visual effects. I've been a beta tester. I worked in the print industry for a number of years. I worked for film studios. I worked as a painter. I worked as a designer, graphic designer. I've also worked with two different businesses. Running a business is a unique challenge all its own. But I try to share all of these experiences and lessons, the problems that I've had, the lessons that I've learned, and the trouble that I've gone through, and try to eliminate those, or at least minimize those for you, because we're here to help you. And I look forward to seeing you in class.